Once you have saved the block, you can export it and then you can share it with others and they can import it and use it just like the way you designed it. Let's go ahead and go to this block and select Save at the Options toolbar. Now it's locked into the Blocks Manager. If I go to the bottom of the page or click Add a New Block, then from my saved options, that block will populate over here. There we have it all the way to the right. Note that apart from deleting it, you have this option to download the block. Select this, and the block is downloaded in no time. This can also be done with full layouts. Select the layout you want to export and select the download. To import is just as easy as to export. Within the blocks, I'll click here on Import New Block. And from my Finder, I will select the one that I want to upload. And in no time, I have 2 copies now of this block.